It's a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this perfect for the family and perfect for you. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Inline 4-cylinder engine, leather bucket seats, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, 4 12-volt power outlets, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive loved the fact that virtually all buttons and controls are easy to see, read, and reach with good size white letters and graphics. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.